guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we're jumping right into it. We are on our way to the Haunted Happenings parade here in Salem. It's gonna be a good time going back to like the normal parade. Yeah, so it's not like the stationary like they did from last year with COVID. We're heading downtown now, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Alright guys, so we are here downtown Salem and we got our spot for the parade. And we got our spooky necklaces turned on. It's fun. Woo! guys, we're back. So we are leaving the parade. Super fun. Now we are going to try to grab a bite to eat at the Derby. Hopefully it's not too busy. It doesn't look too bad. We'll see. All right, wish us luck. Yeah, you can see.
That's pretty busy.
All right, update. We had to give our number. They said it was gonna be about a 25-minute wait. And now we're just walking downtown. There's Town Hall from Hocus Pocus, guys. Pretty cool, huh? So I am back home. Just took Raven outside. I vlogged on my phone, so the quality's probably not that great because I think my lens is broken. And I was wondering why I've been taking, look at the quality, it's so bad. I've been wondering, like, when I take photos, the quality's just like not there. And I'm like, what the heck? My phone is newer-ish. And I think, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look in the light, but tonight I noticed, I think I have like a crack in one of the camera lenses. So I'm like, oh, well, that explains it. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna let you go here. This is a shorter vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Coming along to the Haunted Happenings Parade. I believe it was the 40th one. Maybe I'm making that up. It was a good time. I feel like it wasn't as busy as I thought it was going to be. Maybe that's just because since it's a school night, all of the families and kids and stuff went home. But yeah, had dinner at the Derby, good old nachos. It's 10:10 right now. Make a wish, make a wish. So I need to upload the podcast. An episode of Let's Not comes out tomorrow, so gotta get that situated before I get ready for bed. And I think I need to finish some details on a video that's going up tomorrow. I cannot breathe. Also, I didn't get a chance to show you guys my outfit earlier. Nothing special, but I'm sure I'll get some questions on my shirt. This is actually just a PJ shirt from Old Navy. Where did I get this from? Oh, American Eagle. These earrings are from, I want to say Batty Boutique. Don't quote me on that. And then I did these little star stamps. I found these stamp eyeliners at Spirit Halloween. Decided to go with the stars. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing more of Salem. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!